Hi, my name's Gerry. I'm a twin troller boat owner and a lifelong fisherman.
This twin troller is owned by Charles, and he tows it through multiple states with his motorcycle.
What am I doing today? Two things. It's the middle of the summer. It's hot as heck. I haven't been fishing much. And what I have been doing is not catching fish. It's been pretty slow. So I decided to go to a different lake. Well, I don't know if you saw that. He hammered this. He's not very big, but he really hit it. Alright, let me get you off here before I get myself bugged. There we go. Finally got one. You gotta be kidding me. Alright, well, maybe I got something figured out here. Why do I keep missing all these? There's another one. That happened right in front of me. And I think they're getting smaller. This one's 9 inches. There we go. still there, but not very big. Let's see. How big's this little guy? 11 inches. Well, technically you're legal in Florida, since there's no longer a minimum limit. Push it right down the middle. Squish it so it spreads a little. And that way it kind of gets down the center of the spring and doesn't run off to the side. Alright. Now I'm going to go through the conventional way, which is a skinny bait, so it's a little bit hard to do, but it's alright. Okay, let's see if we can do it again. We're not catching much of any quality at all. However, it's the middle of the summer. These small fish seem to be really chasing this bait. Well, let's see. When I go through the side of this bait, it lets it spin in the water on the way down. When I hook it conventionally, I think it's better for twitching it. There's one right off the bat. And I think, oh yeah, this is a better one. Finally, something of a little bit of quality. And I think I'm gonna net this bugger. Finally. Something that was worth catching. And the hook fell right out. Woo-hoo! There's a nice fish. I haven't seen a fish of this size in a while. This is a 18.5 inch, I think it was. Another reason why I'm here is one of my GoPros has started to give me trouble. It's the one that I wear right here. I wear it around my neck. This is my brand new action camera, they call it. It's a different brand, it's not GoPro. I have this connected to a battery bank. It does come with batteries. This is my brand new Acaso. It is the B50 Elite. It is a touch screen. And it's my understanding that the speakers are not as good as the GoPro ones, or at least the newer GoPro ones. And this comes with this case. It's a waterproof case, but this is the first time I'm trying it. So when I get home, I'll play my footage and see if I like it or not. Tell me what you think of this below. Fish busting right in front of me, so I'm gonna talk to you while I try and catch something more. Oh. Well, there's some weeds there, but I did have a fish. It was actually pulling back on me. It's been a pretty tough fishing day. I got here before dawn. And fish, we're doing that when I was catching them, throwing the hook. And I don't understand. Look, the hot hook is sticking way out. Let's try it again. As I said, the fishing's been slow. When I did get some bites, I was losing them. It wasn't until later in the morning here that I started to get some bites, and they were little ones. Like this guy, I think is probably only 10 inches long or less. My speed is 4.52. Now I'm running into some weeds. It's going to slow down. It sometimes gets up to 4.6 or 4.6 miles an hour. But you can hear the motor slowing down. I'm down to 3.25. I'm plowing my way through weeds.
Well, we're going fishing today. It's been a while. It's stinking hot. So I'm out early. I don't know how long I'll stay. For the first time in quite some time, they're predicting less rain than we've had recently. Matter of fact, it poured pretty good last night, so let's go out fishing, see what we can do. Here is the weather conditions today. I'm in 4.9 feet of water. I just a few feet from the boat launch. It's 83.85 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's 7 o'clock in the morning. One of my GoPros has died. That one had a setup for a better microphone, so I'm not sure how well this one is working. So if it sounds a little bit different, that's why. There we go. Oh, jeez, you gotta be kidding. Okay, we got another one. Oh, he's off. Oh, you gotta be kidding. Oh, well. Straighten out my tail. Well, let's try again. Yeah, there's another. I just lost another. You gotta be kidding. There we go, there we go, there we go. Enough here. You gotta be kidding. All right, finally I got a fish. please don't come off. That's a good one too. All right, good fish, good fish. All right, let's measure them. 17¼ inches. Nice little fish. Here he goes. Okay, we're back. We got one fish in the boat. We missed a few more. Had some little taps here and there. It's a hot summer day. It's August. I guess this is kind of to be expected. Another couple months, we'll be back at it with normal fishing, I hope. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, I understand. Have a nice day. Bye now.